my face, grateful for another day in this little space. A cup of coffee, a smile, and a warm embrace. Life's not about the race, it's about the pace. No diamonds, no gold, no fancy cars to drive, just love and peace to keep my heart alive. Happiness is simple, it's easy to find. It lives in your heart, not just in your mind. A laugh, a hug, a dream to hold tight. Happiness is simple and it feels so right. Walking barefoot, dancing in the rain, letting go of worries, releasing all the pain. Moments with my friends, joy that never ends, loving every step, a soul that slowly mends. No big mansion, no crown to wear, just kindness